Number 4, basket.
Batang-bata, galing bakasyon, 20 days.
Attention. Basket.
Sir.
Yung balik. Salameda.
Bang! Ring! No good. Five.
Kulang sa talon, lahat ng vitamins.
21. Okay, check the shit.
Yung balibag din.
Nice ball! Ayun na, Joey boy!
Okay, check the shit. No good. Number 3. Number 3, no good. Score 5-2 in favor of Mangap. 11 to number 1. Attention. Bam! We're away. First lead lock. Comfortable game. Number 3.
Perimeter shot.
No good. Remonta. Balik na sana. Wala pa din.
Wag na, balik. Wag na pa rin daw.
21. To number 11. Okay, check out the shirt. No good.
Balik, Jimmy, balik!
Number 5. To number 3. Basket na.
Balik tayo depensa. Sabay tayo magpahinga namin.
Seven 5 score. Mangap up by 2. Number 1. To number 11. 11. Basket.
Joey Boy Duwat.
Number 3 again. Ay, lumabas pa.
Relax.
Okay, check out the shoot. Number 11 for 3. No good. The moment number 5. To number 4.
Hawakan.
Sabrep. Substitution. 99 out, 2016. 20 seconds to shoot. Sabrep. Ayaw nyo may isa. Maybe ganun po na saan. Okay, shoot. May foul. Sige, sana. Number 26. Sabrep. Holding foul, number 36.
Pagpagod, palit tayo. Pagpagod.
Pag hindi sila yang sa jersey nila na powerful.
Okay, shoot. Number 30. Oh, bowling.
Gaming.
Number 1. 26, no good.
Balik. Depensa ka lang.
Isa. Number 5. Number 4. Driven walk. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Oh. Sige.
Extra rice. Belga 1, 2, 3, 4.
Number 10. Foul. Sabrep.
Dyan.
Substitution. 17 in. 1 out. 7 in, 4 out.
Sipag tayo, sipag.
Bonus free throw. No good.
Bigay. Barap.
5 minutes.
Bola.
No good.
Sige na, balik ka tayo, depensa. Sige na. Balik depensa. Lapit. Kapila.
2 number 7 for 3. No good.
Parap. Iwalay.
21. Basket. Number 10.
Lapit na. Pasay na. Harap lang. Tapat sa tao lang. Tapat sa tao. Tapat sa tao. Uli.
10 seconds to shoot.
Lagyan ko ng 10, boss. Lagyan ko ng 10.
Oo, 10.
Baba, Rapi.
Thank you.
No good. Play ball by number 11. 11 for 10. Pass to number 10. Good.
Baba.
Basket. By kasama pa foul.
Jeng, wag ka sumundot.
Bali pa.
Foul si number
Mabali
21. 21 foul.
Okay. Na. Wala pala.
No good.
Relax.
Score 13-9. Manga up by 4. 36 to number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. May foul. Foul si number. Foul number 3 Sarah. Nice
D.
No good. Number 5. 5 to number 3 Sarah. Number 5 basket.
Kevin.
2 minutes and 45.
Sige lang.
10 to number 17. 21. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 10. No good. Number 10 again.
Nice ball. Relax. Apat.
Number 7.
Amen.
BFM double as well. Two minutes and 10. 17. No good again. Robo versus 3. To number 7. To number 3. 3. No good. 5. Hindi siya pwede siya. Ikaw yung nakisat siya.
Continue.
Line out sila.
Ikaw nakashoot. Sadik, go Sadik. Yala.
10 seconds to shoot. 11 for 3. No good. Robo number 7. 7 to number 5. 5.
Balik sa depensa.
Number 10. 30 for 3. No good.
Sub.
Substitution. Number 11 in. Number 7 out. Sige siya. 16 in.
Sir, mag-time ka?
Ikaw talaga.
16. My foul. My foul. Si number 3, Sarah.
Second personal.
2 shots. Subnet. Substitution. 4 in. 30 out. Second personal foul. Number 3, Sarah. Unang free throw. Wala. Second free throw. Basket. The score 17. Manggap. Dave from W10. Number 3. Huli. 26 to number 11. Basket.
Balik tayo. One stop, Kevin. One stop.
37 seconds remaining.
Walang foul.
Number 4. Number 7. 7 to number 5. My foul. My foul. Foul si number
Number 10.
Number
Second
10
personal
foul,
foul.
second personal foul, warning for penalty, 2 shots, number 7.
Palasa tayo. 20 tayo,
Unang free throw, basket.
20. Hey, trapping yan, trapping. Tao yan. Uy. Palasa tayo, para. Uy, ang ingay mo.
Second free throw, basket.
Dandali mo. King, wala bola. Finish, King.
15 seconds remaining.
Kaya.
Number 11,
Ay.
by foul. Foul si number 4 foul. 2 shots, 10 seconds remaining.
Ayun yung mag-time out.
Powerful yun.
Ganyan tayo. Rock.
2 shots with number 11.
Yan.
First free throw, basket.
Magsumapali, baba tayo ha. Magsumapali, baba na kagad.
Second free throw. No good. We're going by 8. Oh, yeah, huli. 5,
Wag.
4.
3.
Basket. May kasama pang foul. And of the first quarter. May foul out. Number 26 foul.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul, number 26. Bonus free throw, negative. His score 21-13. This game brought to you by Sports Safari, Kusina Pinoy, Benta, Cafe and Restaurant, Rangers Safari.
Ating number.
Nagpalit kasi ako ng ano. Birthday. Wait lang. Birth certificate. Na. Rapoy. Rescue. Oh, yung bulaod.
Community, pa-shoutout, birthday ni San Juan.
Shout out birthday.
Nahiya magsabi, vlogger.
Yung birthday ko, July pa to.
Okay, back to the ball game. Manggap Suwal. Manggap ball, manggap. Bola ni Manggap. Number 3. No. Number 7. 7 to. Ay, huli.
Kapapasa kasi.
No good. Rule won by number 11.
Time out.
Time out! Honda.
Pinutol agad yung...
Pinutol agad yung swerte. Pinutol agad yung swerte.
Yan ang momento, yan ang mga coach. Kailangan pang pagaling.
Right.
Kasi maaagaw ng momento.
Oh my God!
Andun pala si oh my God.
Okay, back the rule game.
Opo, Chi.
Tayan, ayaw, umikot na Mil! Taas naman!
Foul.
Si Uyang,
Foul si numero
number 9.
9. Illegal use of hand.
Papalusin nila Mil! Papalusin dyan! Rap, sunod sa kabila, Rap!
Number 4. Number 7. No foul again.
Number 11.
Gibbs!
Number 11 foul. Baseline.
Rap! Medyo din, Mil!
5. Munting na magawa. Number 5. Oh, naawa pa.
Galing naman talaga dyan.
23 Mangkap.
Lateral ball!
15 BMW. 17 pull up jumper basket.
Lapit na yan!
Seven to number 4.
Lapit!
4. 10 seconds to shoot. Bang! For way! (26-17). Oh, good. By foul. Foul si number 7. Foul. Sabrep. Substitution. Number 3 out. 7-8.
7 si Farid.
Oo, kakapalang siya may big brother.
10 seconds shoot. Oh, Diyos lang.
Mil! May baka konti, Mil! Kita! Yan, galing! Galing! Patay na galing!
Number 7. Ilang kita sa ilalim. 28-19. 4-3 na naman. Wala. Rebel by number 5. Number 5 for 3. Bang! For way! 11 up. Number 11 for 3. Babawi. No good. Oh, kuha. 10 seconds to shoot. Good. 11. Oh, number 7. 4 number 7. Pahit. Time out! BMW. The score 33-19. This game brought to you by B-Sports Apparel, Kusina Pinoy, Venta, Cafe and Restaurant, Rangers Apparel.
Yan ang sinigang. Nandyan yung dress sa parang mga damit.
Oh, saan
Hindi
yun?
man
Wala. Wala daw eh. Wala.
Wala ko nandyan na.
Wala mo.
Lamang pala. Drawing pala. Ay. Balik.
Okay, after the ball game.
Minahabol pa.
Back to the ball game. BBM doubles ball.
Kala ko lalo
Yuli,
tumaka.
tira. Pag di ka titira, Yuli.
Magda-diet na naman sana ako eh.
Kaganon
Diyan ka na
Oo.
Walang stress, mga ganon.
Diyos ko po. Sana nga.
To number 10, 39. 39. 10 seconds to shoot. 39 number 3. No good. Rebound by number 5. Oy. Oy. Pasa.
Ano ba ito si Yuli? Natitense.
Ulysses, natataranta.
Natataranta.
Una pa rin siyan.
Sinisi na.
Sab daw. Sab. Ay,
Ay, nabigyan ng bola sa. Sige, sab.
Pira!
39 again for 3. Rebound by number 5. 5 to number 4. Number 4. 4. Lumipad. May foul. Sige,
Sab.
sige na.
17.
Number 17. Sabrep. Flagging foul. 2 shots. Substitution. 39 out. 21 on 0. Sorry. First free throw. Basket.
No, second.
Second. Basket na rin.
One stop! Diyan kayo magpahinga sa baba. Ball!
6 minutes. 35-19 score. 16-point lead. Manggap.
Sige, box out!
Number
Box
1
out!
for 3. Bang! Away! Huli. Saro. To number 9. Tumira. No good. Rebound by wala pa din. Sino nakakuha? Si numero 7. 7. Ito numero 30. 30. Uy.
Sab.
Sabrep, substitution.
Natitense pati.
Ten seconds to shoot. Number Saro. No good. Rebound by number 5. 5 to number 4. 4. Nakalusot. 4 to number 3. Number 3. Pulang basket na naman.
MVP!
37-22. 4 minutes and 47. Number 1 again. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 7. 7. Tinapon. Kay number 0. 4 pala. Wala.
Nagmamadali tong mga to eh. Nasa second quarter pa lang.
Running time 4 minutes and 25.
Nakataot na, mga walang tao, may tayo.
21. To number Saro. Boarding. No good. Basket by number 9. Saro. No foul. Foul sa Saro. Illegal use of center. Warning for penalty.
Quarter na.
3 minutes and 55. Number 7.
Shoot mo na!
7. Traveling collision.
Tagal-tagal lang slow.
Second quarter pala, pero parang third quarter na. Tige!
Mali tayo, dito isa! Dalawa!
Number 9. Oh.
3 seconds!
Number 1 to number 9.
Nice ball, nice ball.
May foul si number 3, Sarah. Third, personal foul. Sabrep. Substitution.
Third na yun ha, third.
Third personal foul, number 3, Sarah. Stephen Ken. Traveling.
Sa'yo na dyan, tao sila.
Baka hayop na.
Diyan, huwag kang
Oh, dyan.
Number 4. Oh, what a move by number 4.
Highlights yun. Naka-record ba?
Silang kita.
Sa'yo, sa'yo. Hunter. Diyan ka na. Sa'yo. Sa'yo.
Number 1. Shoot. No good. Rebound by number 3. 3. Number 3 to number 7. Number 3. Number 7 again. Number 7. 7. Oy. Huli. Number basket. Time out. Manggap. This game brought to you by Sports Sabare. Kusinang Pinoy. Benta, Cafe and Restaurant. And George Apparel. Yan. Yan ang George Apparel. Pwede na kumuha. O, libre lang yan.
Short, may 1 take 1, this is size.
Libre yan.
Pwede lang kumuha. Libre. Libre kuha. Pero may bayad. Sando short, nandito na. Sabihin mo lang. Nasaan yung tao?
Piyestong, magkano?
Oo, kadami.
Kompleto?
Set.
Magkano yung set? 5 kilo?
Okay, back to the ball game.
Magkano? May shirt, may ano?
Liwanagin mo kasi Kuya Stong, hindi ganyan yung mag-ano ba? Mainit.
Two minutes and 8.
Penalty sila dyan.
2 minutes. Basket na naman. By number 4.
Lapit na mo. Huwag magbigyan ng posisyon. Huwag pa tayo pa rin. Malayo ka.
Number 1 again. Bang! Number 11 pala for 3. Number 9. Basket. 10-point lead. 1 minute and 24.
Hoy, ikaw naman, Poy.
Huli! Oy! Wala!
Foul. Foul. Penalty.
Sab.
Saglit lang. Number 21 foul. Sabre. Sige.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul. Number 21.
Fourth quarter na.
Judged by number 7. Big Brother. Unang free throw. Wala.
10 point na pala yan eh.
Wala!
1 minute and 7. Oy, wala. No good. Basket. Number 10. Number 7. Traveling. 7 violation. Eleven pull-up jumper, no good. Oy, my foul.
Nice, move.
By foul si number 9.
Penalty, Bo.
Second personal foul, ha?
Penalty. Pushing foul.
Second na, number 9.
Second personal foul, number 9. Boy, pushing foul. 30 seconds remaining for the second quarter.
Ako, sarili na nga nila yun.
Second free throw. Basket.
Sham. Long 3 point lang.
Score 42-33. 9-point lead. 21. Huli. Nakawala. Number 3. Basket na naman. Number 3. 5.
Number 4 yun.
3, 2, 1. Ciao! Bawal pa. Basket count. The score 44-35. Okay, picture sir. BMW.
Dapat kinuha niyo yung bola niyo. Kasi yung bola niyo. Ito. Amin yan eh. Baka nandun sa paypal. Hindi nyo kinuha ang bola niyo. Dala kami dalawa. Ito, wala mo. Bola nila. Baka nandiyan sila.
Nakita ko nung bola.
Ha?
May bata ka niya, nakita ko nung bola.
Ay, naloko na.
Okay.
Oo, ngayon na ina lang. Siyam lang.
Palit mo ka, Meg. Hindi naman niya sila sa papayag. Palit mo ka.
Last 20 minutes. Number 21. No good. Number 5. Number 5. Number 30. 32 number. Oh, nice shot. My foul. Foul number 28 foul. 2 shots. 2 shots by number 7.
28 yun?
First free throw. Kapos. Basket.
Kabila sa kabila tayo. Sige. Ang lalo. Sila.
Nice!
Number 1. Basket.
Galing! Bole!
Wala. May foul. Foul si numero. Number 28 again. Second personal foul. Number 9. Basket. The score 45-41. 4-point lead. Number 5. Basket. May kasama pong foul. Saglit sana. Number 3, Saro. Foul. Sabrep. Substitution.
Zona lang tayo, zona.
Bonus free throw. Basket count. Bonus, no good.
Doon ka lang, men. Sakay, sakot na.
6 na lang.
Okay. To number 9. Number 9. To number 30. No. Isa. Number 7. Basket. Mag-lead ball siya na.
Lalo kami.
Number 1. Foul. Saglit siya na.
Second person.
Number 7. Sabrep. Second person foul. Abo. Second. Ready one. Hold on, John. Good. Number 4. 4. Oh. Number 7. No good. No foul. Foul number 30. 3-0 blind foul.
Fourth na yun.
3-0. Fourth na sir. Fourth. Sabrep. Substitution. 3-0 out. 3 in.
Stayaan nyo, huwag nyo sigawan. Sabihan nyo lang. Thank you. Hindi ako nagtatanggap ng happy birthday. I need cash.
Shoot. Number 9. No good. Rubble by number 7. 7 to number 5. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. No foul. No foul.
Technical!
21 foul. Blocking foul.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul.
Warning
Number
for
21.
21, warning for technical, contesting reverse call.
Warning for technical number 21.
Warning. Warning number 21 for contesting reverse call. Number 4. Number 7, pushing foul by pushing foul.
Sure ball.
6 minutes and 40. Number 1. 1 for 3. No good. Rebel by number 5. 5 to number 4. 4. Basket. Basket by number 3. Twenty-one. My foul. Foul si number 7. Abo. Third personal foul. Number 7, Abo. Third personal foul. No good. Rebel by. Basket. May kasama pang foul.
51.
Number 7. Who's number 7? Penalty. Sinong 7? Paribin? Abo. Fourth personal foul. Abo.
Apat-apat na sila.
Sir, yung number 7 dalawa, okay lang. Okay lang.
Okay naman siya.
Andito sa ano?
May pangalan naman sa pangalan.
Malinis.
Bonus free throw. Basket. The score 51-46. Number 4. Number 4. 4 to number 11. Number 7. Tumama. sa tuhod.
Hindi mo kaya yun. Signature ko dun.
Traveling! Traveling release. Sige sir. Ten seconds to shoot. Number 4. Oh, lumabas pa. Sayang na. Number 9 to number 21 for 3. No good. Ramo by Supal pa lang inabot. Number 4. 4. Sige sir. Time out. Manggap. Time out. Manggap. The score 51-46. This game brought to live in Sports Savannah. Cuisine Pinoy, Benta, Cafe and Restaurant, Honduras, Havana.
Kunwari, pabigay-bigay ng tubig para bato.
Back to the ball game. Symbol. Right side. 19 seconds to shoot. 19 seconds to shoot. Tao-tao na. Number 7. My foul. Foul. The number 26 penalty. Both teams penalty. Third personal foul. Number 26. Wala. Sayang na. Second free throw. Nahulog. 4 minutes and 50. Number 11 for 3. No good. Rubber by basket. Number 4. Traveling wrong. Number 4. Hops. 11. 4. 2 numbers. Oh, no good. 4 minutes and 12. No good. Traveling violation. Travel. Traveling violation. Ten seconds shoot.
Nice pass.
Number 9. 2-point lead, 52-50. Number 4, number 9. Traveling variation.
Laping ko lang ako. Mike. Kulang.
Sige sir. Number 5, no good. Time out. BMW.
Si Kevin to eh. Ay, mamasay.
Time out. BMW.
Fokus lang kayo dyan, fokus lang kayo. wala pa kami binag.
Back to the ball game. "14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 5. No good. Number 21 to number 9 to number 30. No good. Number 3, number 4 to number 3. Number 3, no good. Number 4 na naman. No good pa rin. Number 9.
Offensive yun.
Penalty foul number 9. Penalty foul.
Third yun, third person foul.
Third person foul. Substitution. Number 9 out.
May challenge ba? May challenge ba? Wala. Walang challenge? May challenge ba? Wala. Rep! Alvin! May challenge ba kami dito? Wala. No challenge?
Wala, FIFA.
Okay. Third person foul number 9. Third.
Arasin mo dun!
2 minutes and 22. Number 5, 4-3. No, labas.
Relax!
Hawak dia.
2 minutes and 10. Number 11 for 3. No good. Bravo by number 4. 4 to number 3. Number 3 to number basket. 1 minute and 50.
Both teams nagdadalawa.
Both teams have 2 timeouts. My foul. Both teams penalty. 2 shots. Number 5 foul. Legal contact. Sabret. Substitution.
Si Yole, walang sigla.
7 in.
Yole, walang sigla.
11 out.
Walang sigla si Yole ah. Ice candy kayo dyan!
2 shots by number 21. Unang free throw. Wala.
Isa lang, isa!
Both teams have 2 timeouts. 2 timeouts. Both teams. Basket. 1 minute and 28. Third quarter. Number 5. Number 5. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 4. My foul. Penalty. 0-0 foul. Blank foul. Second personal foul. Number 0-0. 2 shots by number 4.
Sino ada? Halo? Sino? Sino P?
First free throw. Basket.
Yeah, basket.
Gusto mo siya.
Second free throw. Basket yan.
Tapos ko tuloy yung...
5-6. 5-1. Score. Manggabab by 5. Number 0-0. Oh. Wala.
Balik ulit. Ay! Balik mo.
Number 5.
Offensive.
PG foul.
Offensive B.
PG foul number 4. Walang penalty kasi offensive yan. Second personal foul number 4. 11. Titira. Huli. Huli. 37 seconds remaining. Number 4. Oh. Oy. 10 seconds to shoot. 21. 21. 5 to shoot.
Nice shot.
No good. Rebound by 30. 9. 8. 7. No good. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Saro. And of the third quarter score, 56. Manggap, 51. BW. This game brought to you by B-Sports Apparel. Kusinang Pinoy, Benta, Cafe, and Western. And yours Apparel.
Matami lang na sa akin. Ilan?
5 na.
Dalawa pa lang. Isa.
Tatlo.
Tatlo si Big
Ay, isa ka pa lang.
Isa pa lang.
Si Abo. Ang ba?
Manggap sa ball, manggap. Manggap ball, manggap. Last 10 minutes.
Bola.
Number 7 to number 7. Abo. Oh, Muntik nang pumasok. Holding foul. Number 12. Number 12. Ilan na si 12?
Labang mangga.
Number 12 ng FM na sila. Bago.
Dalawa.
Oo. Walang pumasok. Oh. Huli. 10 seconds shoot. May foul. May sumabit. Foul si number 5. Foul.
Dalawa.
Second personal foul. Number 4.
Dalawa dol.
Nagpa-foulan.
First free throw. Basket.
Apat na lang.
Second free throw. Basket.
Galing!
May foul.
Huwag na tayo mag-foul. Kaya naman depensahan.
Number 11, foul. Sabret. Substitution. Number 3 out. Number 7 in. Second personal foul, number 11. Second. First free throw. Swak na swak.
Wala akong number 12.
Ayun mo, sabi ko sa'yo.
17 mo siguro.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Wala. Oh. Number 7 again. No good. Oy, sayang lang.
Anong number? Takot yun.
17 siguro. Baka balik.
Surbol ay, salag, surbol.
Pasa sa number 11.
11.
Pasa sa job, gibalik ay uyang.
Number 9. Basket. Number 9. The score 57-55. Manggap up by 2. Ten seconds to shoot. My foul. My foul, si number 29. 29 foul, blocking foul. Third team foul. Number 5 for 3. Bang! 3. Number 1 pass. Oy. Yun lang. Number 4. 4. Oy, wala. Oy, agaw naman. Agaw din. Agaw din. Wala.
Tayo sa number 1 ang Bulacay.
Number 1.
Nag-hesitate,
Number
naminsan,
1.
ano yung buko niya.
Pasa lang, pasa lang, pasa lang.
Wala akong basahan, ipasa sa number 17, number 17.
17 for 3.
Wala na shot.
No good.
Rebound.
Rebound by number 7. Pass to number 7. Number 4, basket. Time out! BMW. They score 62-55.
Isa na lang tayo mapakadalawa dito.
BMW, you have 1 timeout remaining, sir. Bangkap, 2 timeout. This game brought to you by B-Sports Sabaral. Cusino Minoy, Penta, Cafe and Restaurant, Rangers, Sabaral.
Hindi kami sa Texas.
Check, check.
Sa kami manyakon.
Okay, back to the ball game. Last 7 minutes and 50. Bebam the ball is ball.
Para sa mag-bring na kadala sa muna, Kuya Pito. Nabantayan ang ilas Timongso kabantay, ipasa kay number Bulacay, number 1. Oy,
Number 1.
ipasa sa dalog.
1, 2,
Ibalik kay
number
tumambling, nagpeg. Ibalik sa wop.
17 to number. Ay, wala.
Boarding.
Number 7. Pass to number 7. Basket. Pag-ball sa ball tayo.
Nag-hesitate, naminsar. Ano mo kunya? Oh, nag-pinduan, kuya shot.
70.
Number 7, number 2.
Number 9.
Pasa ang ganda ng
Oy.
pasa sa dalong.
Sabrek. Substitution.
Substitution.
21 in. 21. Sub.
Nagguluhan na siya.
Number 3. No good.
Bigla rin ball ni Uyang. Inpasa sa number 16. Kaya may travel, may ilang wala.
Basket.
Wala na. Grabe, intense ka rin ito game. May bulang ang gamay. Inpasa sa dalong. Outside ang bola. Para nalas Timongso.
Last 6 minutes and 31. 10 seconds to shoot.
Over. Oh, ganda na crossover.
5 to shoot.
Hand check.
Hand check.
Isa na lang, para penalty. Isa na lang.
Sino foul? 1?
Wala pa, apat pa lang po eh.
Number 1 foul. Warning for penalty.
Boy, taga kulang. Inpasa kay
Number 7. No good. Ay, kuha. Number 4. Number 5. Number 5 to number 30. Wala. Alog palabas. Last 5 minutes, son. 57.
Last ano na yan?
Wala.
Tira.
Number 1 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 30. 30 ay huli.
Tambuksong lang pero garibaw na.
Number 9,
Uyang.
no good. Rebound by number 5. 5 to number 7. Number 7. Number 7. number 7. Offensive foul. Offensive foul. Number 7. Sabret. Sabret. Ilan siya? 4th personal foul. 4th.
Ha?
4th pala. 4th. 4th personal foul. Number 7. Fourth personal foul, number 7, Abu.
Kaawas ang studyom namon sa bong. Kaya bulakay na ka-dribble. Usar ko ni mo niya. Open ko sober. Grabe ka ba?
Luwan.
Patay kaya ito. Ipasa ka Archie.
10 seconds to shoot.
Wala na
Wala pa din. May foul si numero 7. Number 7. Second personal foul si Big Boy. Si Abu ang 4. Si number 7.
Dalawa.
Siya. Second pala.
Archie, liwat. Matira, mate. Mapasober. Grabe. Bangga. Oy,
21.
grabe ka pasa.
10 seconds shoot. Oh, ito na Sabrep. Mangga.
Both teams, 1 remaining.
Both teams, 1 timeout remaining.
Yan na. May kayo pinagustuhan. Na sila time out.
This game brought to you by Sports Sabar. Kusinang Pinoy, Benta, Coffee and Western.
Tatlo na yan.
Alin?
Tatlo na yan si Vince. Bilang ko ang call ko sa kanya, tatlo na yan. Si Abo pa rin, 4. Tatlo na yan si Vince. Kaya sabi ko, ayusin niyo.
Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Mangga pa sa ball.
Grabe na binabi ang jersey sa manggap. Layo ka lang tao na.
Akala ko ganito.
Last 5 minutes. Number 7 to number 30. Number 7 for 3. Bang! For win!
Uyang.
11 basket.
Patay nyo yung patay nyo!
Wag!
Patay nyo! Sige, patay nyo, sige!
Last 4 minutes and 30. Score 67-59. Number 30. 8 seconds shoot. 5 to shoot. 7. No good.
All discarded.
Last 4 minutes and 14. 21. 51.
Sa bola. Ilatag kay Uyang.
11 for 3. No good. Grab on by. No good again. Number 1. No good again.
Nice boy!
Red ball.
Patay na, patay na! Yan, patay na! Ayun na!
Number 5. Number 5. Pull up jumper. No good. Number 1. Basket. Number 1.
Patay, patay! Tao nyo!
Mamaya sir, mamaya. Dead ball sir.
Tao nyo kada! Dyan! Nice cup!
Basket.
Tao nyo! Walang pipitaw! Ayun yan! Huli! Huli!
Double foul. Double foul. Double foul. Penalty.
Double foul.
Double
tayo.
foul.
Number 9.
Number 9 and number 5.
Number 5.
5.
Pinas break ang bola. Ang bola ay doon.
Double foul.
Si Uyang, warning na nga. Si Uyang.
Sabihin mo, sa amin sila nag-inbound ng fourth quarter. Dapat
Si Uyang, 4th na. 4th na
Fourth
lang.
percent.
Sila nag-inbound sir eh. Nung fourth quarter amin dapat bola. Dapat ganito to.
Ito tinuturo yan sir yung kung saan bench kayo. Yung
Hello. Yung bola, pinas break. Di ba? Lumipad. Double foul tayo ngayon dito, away from the ball. So, dito tayo sa araw. Walang nagmamayari ng bola. Dito kami. Okay? Let's go. BMW's ball. So, change natin. Manggap.
Pag nakaturot sa kanila yung bola. Tanong ko lang, ganun.
Grab on by number 9. 10 seconds to shoot.
Tira mo na. Baka tirahin
Number
mo
1
na.
for 3. No good. Last 3 minutes sa 9. Number 5. Wow, nakawala.
Baba na, Clyde! Baba na! Okay, ito ka magpahinga! Station mo na!
Last 2 minutes and 51.
Defense! Defense!
Number 1. Number 9. 4-3, no good. Rebel by number 3. Oy, nahuli. Basket! They score 69, 65.
Kaya na dyan!
Number 3, no good. Oh, good.
Dyan! Utak! 2 minutes! Utak!
Last 2 minutes. Number 7 for 3. No.
Depensa na nga! Depensa pa yan!
Last 1 minute and 51.
Malayo pa yan!
20,000 ang viewers mo.
69, 65.
Puno. Crossover, ganda. Crossover, diba?
Number 1.
Pulakay.
Number 1. Number 1 to number 21 for 3. No good. Number 7. Basket.
Baba! Clyde, baba!
Isa na lang.
Defense!
Last 1 minute and 15.
Defense!
Number 9. Basket.
Baba na, Joey!
Number 4. Number 4. No good. Well won by number 1. Last 1 minute. Number 9. Number 9. No good. Number 9 again. Number 9. Number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. 21 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 again. No good again. No good again. Rebound by number 5. Five foul. Penalty. 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 Penalty na. Last 34 seconds. Penalty na, sir.
Both teams 1 time out remaining.
Both teams you have 1 timeout remaining. 1 timeout. Unang sentro. Basket.
Dyan, isa pa!
Lima.
Last 34 seconds. No good. Oh, rebound by number 4. Number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. 5.
Bira!
3.
Tama yan.
Last 18 seconds. Last 18 seconds. Number 5 and number 9 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. By foul. By foul. Penalty. Penalty. Number 5. Fourth. Fourth.
Number 9 and number 5 half court.
Last 10 seconds. 2 shots. 2 shots by number 10. Wow.
Last 10 seconds.
68-72, pabor sa Manggap. Ito ang Manggap.
Last 10 seconds.
Short.
Bawal.
Bawal.
Dito na. May foul.
Foul si Joey Boy Papinaul.
9 seconds remaining. Last 9 seconds.
Time out, Mangga.
Time out! Mangga! No more time out, Mangga. BFMW, you have one time out. Score 72, Mangga. 68, BFMW.
Lamang lang ng 5. Tinawag pa siya Pulakay para mag-rebound. Crucial. Kailangan yung bola makuha doon eh. Napunta pa, naubos 24, ubos. Naging 10 na talo.
Okay, free throw.
Bago.
By number 3. 2 shots by number 3. Last 9 seconds. Unang free throw. Wala. Last 9 seconds. Sige sir. No. Foul. Penalty. Pushing foul. Number 4. Both teams penalty.
Penalty.
Sure mo lang, men. Sure ball, Mel, dalawa. Chi, pag na-shoot yung dalawa, walang foul.
Unang free throw. Basket.
Sa? Piniti ang gamit bola. Pag nakuha nila, foul kagad. Pilitin nyo makuha yung bola, Jun, ha?
Basket.
Tao lang agad!
4. By foul. Last 4
Wala na
seconds.
yung 21 ha, graduate.
Pag na-shoot, time out,
Graduate number 21.
Kahit yung huli.
Host foul rep.
21 fifth personal foul.
Number 21. Sir, 5th personal foul. Number 21.
Fifth.
Substitution.
Diploma.
Para apat, dalawang position.
Last 4 seconds.
Sunod-sunod kasi siya.
BFMW, you have one time out. Time out pag ma-shoot ang dalawa. Unang free throw. Basket.
Shoot na, para dalawang position.
Bilis!
Dalawang position.
Walang foul. Pinay.
Basta wala na kayo, wag na kayo mag-foul. Bakit papawalan? Shoot lang. Wala nang foul. Walang foul, no foul, away foul.
Time out. BFMW.
Both teams wala nang time out.
Both teams no more time out. Last 4 seconds. Last 4 seconds.
Okay, yan ang Sporting James, yung buti ng plastic talagay sa basurahan. So, para mabawasan.
Sir, bago tayo umalis, pakilinis lang po ang ating mga buti-buti dyan.
Yung mga plastic,
Salamat po.
battle.
Ay, may last game pa. Hindi, ikaw yung nagkalat ka.
Ay, sorry. Okay, back to the one game.
Linear on this.
14. Oh, 14. Pero 4 na lang. 4 na lang natin yan. 4 seconds.
Dala pa, babayang bumato.
Ano?
Number 1 for 3. No good. Reba 1. Final score 74-70. Congratulations po teams. Ang ganda ng kalaban. Ang labanan.